Smoothie. It's almost the same recipe, but we got butter. I think that's about a half a stick. Sugar. Not that much. I'm using a lot because I'm putting a ton of fruit. About 2 minutes on this one. Alright, 2 minutes, 22 seconds. That's what the butter looks like afterwards. It actually caramelized, so that's perfect. Cut the fruit up. I'm using old peach, blueberries, raspberries, and blend. I'm rinsing the blueberries. And while those are rinsing, I'm going to blend the sugar, the peach, raspberries, and the butter and sugar. I'm going to whip that all together. And the reason I'm using blueberries is because that's all the raspberries I have left. And already, I mean, I used probably at least a pound of blueberries. There's probably about a half pound of, a quarter pound of raspberries, 1 peach chopped up, and that's all the fruit that's in there. If I had a banana, I'd throw them in there too, but I don't. And blend. This one I had to add ice cubes to it because there was a lot of things that weren't frozen, so it has to be chilled a little bit more, so I'll probably add about 8, 10, 12 ice cubes. All right, I put about 15 ice cubes in there because I like it really cold. Delicious.